What's up everybody, it's Vega Sucks 2 Cocks back with another family-unfriendly educational video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to be a supervillain. Step 1 is to find your gimmick. Whether it's freezing shit, being weird, being a fat purple cunt, or being a fat purple cunt, every supervillain has a gimmick. Find one and stick with it. Now for the purposes of this tutorial, my gimmick is going to be being vegan, because everyone knows that vegans are absolutely fucking terrifying. Step 2 is to find motivation. Maybe your parents were murdered and now you blame the entirety of society. Maybe you seek revenge on a particular person, or maybe you're just fucking sad and you're trying to redeem yourself. Whatever it is, find your motive and use it to excuse the heinous acts against humanity that you will inevitably commit. Step 3. Do a warm-up round. What good is a villain that is not feared by society at large? Before you commit your most diabolical acts, engage in smaller, more devious acts to gain renown amongst the general population. For this step, I'm going to be visiting a public restroom and shitting in a urinal. Step 4. Formulate your diabolical plan. For some reason, no amount of deviousness can fulfill your aspirations more than one singular grand objective. You keep shitting in urinals, and yet at the end of the day, you are fucking hollow inside. What better way to solve your emptiness than to perform one incredibly radical and extreme act that affects the world at large? Seek an objective and exploit everyone and everything to achieve it. Now for this step, I'm going to become a wealthy capitalist by exploiting truffle trees. Step 5. Accept defeat. No matter what you do, the superheroes will always have an incredible power known as plot armor. Even if you wish to achieve world peace, Captain America will still be there at the end of the day to slap your ass and inform you that only he is allowed to achieve world peace. Now knowing this fact, why not go down in history as an absolute legend, perform incredibly vile and disgusting acts so heinous that historians will have a hard time processing your sins, much less discussing them. For this tutorial, my preferred method is going to be the complete and utter extinction of humanity.
I will burn this planet down before I spend another minute living among these animals.